Hello all, I welcome you back to my channel. So in this video we are just going to solve the problem same tree problem. The problem statement is simple. We are given two root pointers, one is P, another is Q. We need to check whether these two trees are identical or not. So what is the value at P and what is the value of at Q? 1 is equals to 1, so it is valid. We go on the left subtree, and here also the value matches. So we from the left subtree the condition holds, and so we call on the right subtree, and similarly for the second tree also we call on we go on its right subtree, we get 3. So 3 equals to 3 and 2 is equals to 3, 2 is equals to 2, so the value matches us, and hence these trees these two trees are identical. Let's take another example. In this example, the root value P and Q's root value are same. 1 is equals to 1. But in second case, here the value is null and here the value is 2. So 2 cannot be equal to null. So this is not identical. Let us understand the third input. So as you can see, roots values of both trees are same, and when we go on the left subtree of the first tree and left subtree on the second tree, the values are not same, so this is also not identical. The approach which we are going to see over here is, suppose this is our root node and this is the left subtree and this is the right subtree. We will use recursion to check whether the left subtree of tree 1 is identical to the left subtree of tree 2, and similarly for right subtree we will ask recursion to do the work and we will handle the base cases. So what could be the base cases? Suppose if both are null and Q are null, so that is the identical. So in this case you have to return true. And in case suppose like this, the case which we discussed, left subtree has some value, left subtree has some value for tree 1 and left subtree do not have this value, so this would be the alarming condition for our recursion to stop and say it is false. So let us see the solution for it. At first I would be checking whether okay, if P is equals to null, it means that we are given one tree as null tree, and also if other tree is also null, we simply return true, because if both trees are null then they are identical. And second case, if we P is equals to null and Q is not equals to null, like for the example I discussed for 1 2, or P is not equal to null and Q is equal to null, okay, then you need to return false. This statement could be written in this type, like this also, P equal null and Q not equal to null, or P not equal to null and Q equal null. And so this looks better and nice, so that is why I have written like this. And in next we need to check अगर if p value is not equal to q's value, then return false. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to tell recursion to do our work. We will ask recursion for the left subtree of first tree as well as left subtree of the first tree and left subtree of the right tree. Similarly, for the right subtree of both trees, we will ask recursion to do our work, and hence recursion would solve our problem, and we would be able to get whether the tree is identical or not. Let's run our code and see whether it's working or not. Okay, the same tree. It runs. Let's submit it. Got accepted. So if you like this video, please hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.